Hey guys, Motor Junkie, and I'm going to be doing a review about this phone holder for my bike, so I can, because I was getting lost everywhere. But I have other ones, but they're not very good. They don't really even fit my bike. But I got this one. I read great reviews. There's like 3 different attachments. So I got this off Amazon for like $20. We'll see how it goes. So this is what you get if you get this thing. I'm not even sure how this works. You get this and this. So what kind of got a huge issue is there's no room for me to put this. Like, say on the KX, there's a little bit of meat, I can go right here, or go right here. But now on this Ninja, I'm done for.
But this camera phone thing is holding up nice. I'm going like, this is the Roam. I hope you checked out my review of it. This thing's holding up nice. I had to mount it to the mirror because I don't have any room. But I've been going like 70 miles an hour hitting some big potholes. It moves a little bit, but it's sturdy. And I've tried some other ones, but they scare me.